Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can try to fix mobile network issues on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. There are several things that you can do. The first one is we can open the settings, and if you go to network and internet, you can make sure that of course the airplane mode is disabled. If airplane mode is enabled, then of course the mobile data and Wi-Fi of course is disabled. So after that we can make sure that the mobile data is also enabled. So if you have something like this, then of course you want to tap on the slider in order to activate the mobile data. If you go to mobile data, over here you also have the slider use mobile data, which is the same as the one before. So make sure that it is actually enabled. And in addition to that, you can go to SIMs and mobile network and make sure that your SIM card is enabled, because you can actually completely turn off your SIM card and make it inactive. So turn the SIM card on and make sure that mobile data is on. If that doesn't help, there is one more thing that you can do. So let's go back, scroll all the way down, and over here we're gonna go to system, then go to reset options, and then over here we have reset mobile network settings. Over here you can also erase eSIMs, but you probably don't really want to do that unless you actually do. If you just want to try to fix the mobile network issues, then you can just press reset settings. Of course, you will need to enter your PIN code, password, or draw the pattern, and then confirm that you want to do that. And that's it. At the bottom, we have the information that the network settings have been reset. So now we can go back and make sure that everything is enabled. So we can go back to network and internet, make sure that mobile data is on, and make sure that the SIM card is on. And if that doesn't help, then of course you can also make sure that the SIM card is correctly inserted into the SIM tray. And the last thing that you can do, if nothing else helps, is of course the factory reset, which can be found in system, reset options, and over here we have erase all data. However, of course, this is the completely last thing that you should do, and you will remove everything from your device, so make sure to also make a backup if this is what you want to do. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!